Transactions. Transactions have always been part of human life. In the Stone Age, we bartered. And it was easy because we knew each other. The problem was, we couldn't scale beyond the size of a village. As time went by, and humans are explorers, we started to build ships and we started to travel to distant lands. And that was great because the demand for trade grew globally. But the problem was, how are we going to transact now? So we created currencies. Now, currencies made things a lot easier, but it could only be used where you could make a physical transaction. In today's digital age, where we have online transfers, wire transfers, and stores where you can buy and sell just about anything, the question is, how can you trust who you're transacting with? How do you reach half the world's population that's unbanked or not registered with a credit bureau? That answer is identity. Identity is the new currency. From opening a bank account to getting a loan to filling a prescription, your identity is how you transact. Hi, everyone. My name is Rob Connors, and I'm here with my colleague, Joel Sackmar. We are here because the world is online, and businesses need to verify that their customers are who they claim to be. But how can you do that when there is no face-to-face transaction? Woke up everyone, though. All right. So what we're going to show you today, using a ID and your smartphone, is how you can onboard users. Joel? So what you see here is the first thing you do is select the type of document that you have. Now, Onfido covers 195 countries, around 610 documents globally. The first thing that you're going to do is take a picture of the front of your ID. And as you can see, it says glare detected. So in our SDK, what we look for is we look for blur, glare, and edge detection on there. Once that is submitted through, we're going to take a picture of the back of the ID. Once that's done and submitted, we will begin the processing. Now, our processing that we use has a combination of machine learning and human experts. What we look for on that document is a combination of security features, image overlay, font, basically every X and Y coordinate of that ID. In addition to that, we do an OCR extraction and match that with the barcode. Now, you can set your levels of what you want and tailor your solution based on your risk needs. But to make sure if that ID has been submitted by Joel, we've added a liveness test, basically testing your biometrics. So as you see right there, we did a combination between a number challenge and a physical challenge. The reason why we did that is to add a different layer of security. There is Blink technology that's out there, but it's easy to spoof. And we found this way to be the most effective way. And that's what Onfido does. Verifying IDs for digital onboarding to create trust by using the devices every day. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.